Hi, and thanks for stopping by. I'm Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com in Houston, Texas. And in today's video, I wanted to answer the question, how long will an IRS wage levy stay on my paycheck? To answer the question, it really depends. As most things in life, it depends. Basically, the IRS wage levy is going to stay on your account until such time as the debt is paid in full. The debt can be paid in full by 1, finding out how much you owe, writing a check and paying the debt off in full. Or 2, it might be that the wage levy is left in place and the IRS levies your paycheck enough times and receives enough money from the wage levy to fully satisfy the tax debt. The only other way that the IRS wage levy is going to come off is if you petition and request from the IRS a release of wage levy. Now, the reason that you might do this is because you don't have the money to pay the debt in full, and with the IRS wage levy in place, the IRS is taking so much of your paycheck that you really can't live. It's creating a financial hardship. For the IRS to release the levy on your wages, there has to be an acceptable solution in place, a solution that's acceptable to the IRS, such as an offer in compromise applied for. It could be getting yourself established as currently not collectible, or maybe establishing an installment agreement. Typically, you can't just go to the IRS and ask for a wage levy to be released. You have to put a solution in place typically for them to do so. Just asking them saying, I don't like the wage levy, I don't like you taking some of my wages, you have to put a solution in place. They won't release it typically just because you don't like it. So that answers today's question, how long will a wage levy stay on my paycheck once I receive a wage levy? And the answer to the question is either until the debt is paid off or a solution is put into place and the IRS issues a wage levy, a release of levy, until they issue a release of levy. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you have an immediate problem that you need to deal with, give us a call at the office, 713-726-1603, or alternatively, visit us on the web, SolveMyTaxProblems.com. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again real soon. Thanks.